Hello. You can listen me
Yes, yes.
properly, na? Okay, okay. So
Yes,
you
yes,
just
I can listen you properly.
okay, no problem. Can you please introduce yourself so I can know you better way?
Yeah, of course. My name Pushpa. I am from
Okay,
Faridabad, Haryana.
okay,
I have done my BCom and MCom. Now I
okay.
am doing a job as accountant.
Oh wow, you're my field. That's
Yes.
very good.
Actually, we are same category.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you, you're same my field.
I saw
Okay,
your many videos on YouTube, and
okay.
you speak very well, and your English is very simple, and you using words is very simple.
Yes. Because I have not any knowledge. See, I'm not a very like expert in English. I was also trying to like become a good English speaker. I can say that.
Yeah,
That's why I'm like, just using a simple word, not a very difficult word. So if the
yeah,
people are watching my video, they will also connect with my word what I'm saying. If I'm using so
yes,
hard word and people can't understand, that's why I just using a simple word so all the people who's connected with me they can understand me and they
yes,
can
yes, yes,
like enjoy my video also.
yes. So I love your simple English. So that's why I
Yes.
am connecting with you.
Oh wow. That's very good news for me. You like my video for my simple English.
Of course.
So how long you connect with me? May I know how
Um,
long? Uh, I'm not saying how long. How many days I can say that.
yeah. Whenever I checked YouTube and try to see your videos, English videos,
Okay. Okay.
till till I have not subscribed your channel. Sorry for that.
Okay. No problem. No problem.
But your English is very simple, and you use English word is very simple and understanding.
Yes.
So I want to learn English with you.
Okay. I can help you. No, no problem. I like the people who is coming like who want to just to communicate with me. My only aim people come like connect with me and speak with me English because this is the only way we can improve our English and we
Yes,
get a
yes. You
fluency
are right.
also.
You are right. You are right.
Okay, so my intention only for this, why I'm making the video because I want a person who is like connect with me and help me for speaking the English. That's why.
No, very good thoughts.
Yes. So what are you doing for your improvement of English? May I know that?
Nothing, nothing doing anything. So I suggest, can you help me?
Yeah, I will. I can help you. Like I say, you just.
Can you suggest me any app, any book, any videos which help me improving my English?
Okay, I can suggest you watch a more English video like a English related channel. Actually, what I'm doing, I watch more a
Hmm.
TEDx YouTube channel is a
What
there is a
what you do for your English learning?
see presently I can't do any special thing. I just listen all the like watching the English movies, more English movie nowadays. And just one, I have a book of the Rapidex English speaking. I read this
Okay.
book for my grammar improvement. And I
Okay.
just daily in half an hour I can read a newspaper, news articles.
Okay.
That's all
Okay.
that thing I am doing every day. And like in night 9 to 10, 11, after like a 1 or 2 hour I'm daily speaking with my subscriber. All that thing I'm doing,
Okay.
so you see all that my result.
Okay.
Yes,
So what are you doing your vocabulary?
I watch the more video in YouTube. In YouTube lots
Okay.
of the lots of the video you can see for the vocabulary. You can watch all that video and you can learn.
Okay.
Yes.
So, so you noted any words in your notebook?
Yeah, I have also like a putting one or two three video in my YouTube channel, you can see. I'm not
Okay.
like putting so many video because I don't like people are cannot connect with this my videos. That's why I'm not putting all that video. Just
Okay.
putting my communication video. But I have a when initial stage of my learning uploading the video. That time I just uploaded one or two. I can say one or two video like this. So yeah, I'm
Um,
doing daily this kind of thing. I'm not saying I'm not doing. I can daily written in my diary whatever the new sentence and the new word I learn. Na, I just written down. So I
okay.
cannot forget that word. After 1 or 2 days we cannot use this word now. So we can easily
Yes.
forget all that things. That's
Yes.
why
Yes. Yes.
you have to daily read one time you see that word, okay, I read that word before, so that you can remember also and try to use that kind of word in your conversation when you are doing conversation, so that you can
Yes.
always remember.
Yes. 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 You are right.
So I will suggest you also do the same thing, and more time to giving your speaking, because the
Okay.
you do all that thing but you can't speak, so you can't speak in English.
Okay.
Yes. So what
Actually,
suggestion?
yes. Yes.
No, I'm asking you anything else you want to ask me for any suggestion I can give you.
No, that's enough for practice.
Yeah, that's enough. See, I'm saying if you're not implementing in your life, it's nothing like any use. What I'm saying to you,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
you will have to be
Yes.
implement in your daily life so that it will be used.
Mm,
I'm saying everybody, please do this. So many people can implement, maybe implemented, and they are just listen and forget after that sometime, so that the people and
yes.
after
Yes.
that thinking no she is doing or she is giving a wrong information. When you are not implementing all that things, so how can you learn that? Because I was also
Yes.
learning this thing in during a March month till the May month is started. Last 2 months I'm
March
still
March 20 or March 21.
20, no March 21, only the 2 month.
Only the 2 months you speak English very well, Sonam.
Yes, but I have putting my lots of effort for this thing,
Wow.
speaking.
Only 2 months? Only 2 months?
Yes, only
This
two
is a
months.
very short time. This is
Yeah,
a very
because
short time,
yeah,
and
I can.
your memory is mind blowing.
Yeah, that's why I suggest you all the people. You also follow this thing now, so that you can feel okay. I'm improving. So you can feel Sonam not saying any like a lie to me, because
No, no, no,
see,
no, 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 no. Because these people talking English,
yes,
they, they have lots of practice.
yes.
so they can't lie about
Yeah.
any.
Yes, yes. Because see, if I'm not telling you anything lie, because you see my clapping go video in
Yes,
my
yes.
first video, how I speak in my video, and till today you can like compare my what I say, compare my like fluency. I can say I just fumbling when I'm speaking at that time. Now I'm not fumbling anything, and the word is
Yeah,
also coming in
I
my
can
mind
see.
very
I can
quickly.
see. Yes,
Yes,
yes. I can see your first videos and nowadays videos. I can see.
yes, that's why I'm telling you, dear, I will not doing any special things, and I always telling the everyone, please do this thing, try to speak more. After all these things you are doing good, watching, reading, all that thing is like you can do, but try to speak more. At least in one day half an hour you can giving your time for the speaking, so that you get your like a fluency, otherwise you don't get anything.
But somebody know anybody.
Sorry, dear, I can't listen your voice properly. Hello.
Hello,
Yes, I can't listen you. Please repeat it again.
hello, hello.
Hello.
Can you
Yes,
hear
yes.
me?
Can you? Yes, yes. I can
Hello,
hear you. Just hello.
hello.
Can you you can't listen my voice.
I
Hello.
can't hear you. Hello, Sonam.
Just 1 second. 1 second. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yes, yes, I
Yeah.
can hear it.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Because I think sometime now it's happened. I don't know why it's happened. My earphone problem always is happen after 10 to 12
No
minutes.
problem. Here,
Yes,
here, network problem also.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, so I think I am telling you, I'm giving a lot of like suggestions, and I hope you follow all these things in your life.
Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, Sonam. So,
Yes, please
so
follow,
what are
and
you
I
doing now?
want to. Sorry,
What are you doing now?
now I am doing talking with you. What you want to ask me? I can't
You have
understand. Just